In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text in Weebly. If you're building or updating a site in Weebly, changing text is one of the simplest and most frequent tasks you'll do. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to enter the editor, select the right area, make clean, readable changes, and ensure those edits are saved in place. First, open your site editor. Once the editor loads, you'll see your page laid out just like it appears to visitors, along with Weebly's editing tools. Take a second to let everything finish loading so the page elements are clickable. If you're working on multiple pages, navigate to the page where the text you want to change lives. This keeps you focused and prevents accidental edits elsewhere. Next, click the text box you want to edit. Hover your mouse over the section until you see the text element highlight, then click once. When the text box is active, your cursor appears inside it, and a small formatting toolbar typically shows up. This toolbar is your quick access to common options like headings, bold and italics, links, alignment, and text color. If nothing happens when you click, try clicking directly on the words, not just near the edge of the box, to activate it. Now, type your content. You can delete what's there and start fresh, or place your cursor where you want to add or change wording. For the cleanest results, if you're pasting from another source, use plain text to avoid bringing over odd fonts or spacing. Keep paragraphs short and scannable, and use the formatting toolbar sparingly so your page stays consistent with your theme. Convert important lines into headings when appropriate, turn long sentences into shorter ones for readability, and add links only where they truly help the visitor. If you make a mistake, use the undo button in the toolbar to step back. Read everything out loud once. It's a great way to catch typos and awkward phrasing. Finally, click outside to save. Move your cursor to an empty area of the page and click once to confirm the change. This tells Weebly you're done editing that box and records the update in the editor. Give the page a quick glance to make sure your spacing and line breaks look right. If something doesn't look the way you expected, click the text box again and refine it. That's all there is to it. Open your site editor, click the text box, type your content, and click outside to save. With a bit of practice, you'll be updating pages in seconds.